Okay, so I'm going to go over parts of the homework here for you. So what we want to do right now is first, when they talk about rate, something you have to remember is that rate is going to be, so right here, rate. Okay, rate. It's always going to be distance over time. Okay, so this is a basic formula known from your math class and also for your science class. You're going to need that. So distance over time. So for example, let's say we want to focus on, let's say we'll do this in blue here. And we want to focus on the ostrich first, right? So we're going to focus on the ostrich right there. Okay, so if you notice here that the distance it covers is 22 miles in a half an hour. So if we look at our instructions here, it wants you to set up a complex rate. Okay, so just keep in mind it's distance over time. That's how you find rate. So when you write it up, okay, the distance the ostrich takes, so I have a division bar, so I draw one like this, okay, so 22 miles, okay, over half an hour. Okay, and now what you need to do is figure out the unit rate. Okay, so what we do is that we want to change the complex into something easy, just like we did in class before. So when I do the work here, I'll have here 22, okay, divided by, and again this division comes from this division bar right there, divided by a half, like that, right? So then what you do is what we did before. Remember in class, every whole number has a 1 underneath. Okay? Then what I want to do is change the division to a multiplication, and then we're going to flip or find the reciprocal of this fraction right here. So when I rewrite it, I have 22 over 1 multiplied by 2 over 1. Okay? Then I just go ahead and multiply it. Okay, 22 times 2, okay, I would get 44. 1 times 1 is going to be 1, which then simplifies to, okay, 44 miles in 1 hour. And there's our unit rate right there. So this is going to be 44 miles per hour. And notice how I wrote it down like that. That's what's important to know how to go from one to the other. Alright? So hopefully this helps you get started and you could finish up the second one.